What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. We got another car payment video, man. Some people just do not care about having car payments. Let's get into
I don't care because I'm in this car a lot, right? Think about it. We commute to work, to the gym, to the stores. We're in this car 1-2 hours every day. Best believe that I'm gonna drive something that I like and that I'm comfortable in. And I don't care about that Apple CarPlay, whatever everybody's obsessed with. What I care about is that my windows roll up and down, that I don't have any
it.
check engine lights, and that my brakes aren't screeching. Because having an unreliable car is inconvenient. Trust me, I've had my handful of cash cars. I've been in hoopties. It was all that I could afford back then. Car troubles were the worst. So yeah, I'll pay my $700 car note and best believe.
That's true, though. A lot of people don't want to deal with car repairs. But, man, that $700 a month, it'll start getting to you after a while. Once the newness wear off, I mean, and some people got it like that. You can't count people's pockets, but most people that you see riding around nowadays in these super new expensive cars, it's costing them a pretty penny to do that.
Yes, I am going to buy the maintenance package because my car needs to be on schedule for its maintenance. And listen, the real flex is buying a nice car cash, right? But we don't all have it like that, but we can afford a little, $700 payment. And I'm cool with that. Y'all are going to come for me, but y'all have
You say a little $700 payment.
fun on the side of the road. No, I'm just kidding.
What was the highest payment you ever seen?
$2,700, and it was a 22 Ram TRX.
What is the highest payment you ever seen?
Probably be $2,748.
Golly.
Chevy Corvette Z06, and I believe it was a 2020.
Bruh, I don't care what nobody say. Those Corvettes are overpriced. I mean, $2,700 a month. I know those cars are almost close to $200K, depending on which ones you get. I've seen them like 170, 170, 160. So those Corvettes are definitely expensive.
25.
What is the highest payment you ever seen?
$1,888 a month.
Dang.
Payment you ever seen?
Like 1640, something like this. They bought one of the Wagoneers. They didn't want to put a lot of money down, so the payment was high.
What is the highest payment you ever seen?
$2,400 on a 2023 Dodge Demon. Got to put a big amount of money down.
A lot of people paid a lot of money for those Demons because they looked at it as investments. Now, the Demon is a car that if you don't drive it and you keep it wrapped in plastic, it may be worth some money. But $2,400 a month for a car you're not driving, that just seemed a bit much to me. Leave your comments. What y'all think?
But obviously, it's a very expensive car, so $2,400 is definitely worth it on that car.
What's your car payment and what do you drive?
Just short of $2,700 a month. But every morning I have to decide if I'm going to drive the Tahoe Premier or the M4 Competition X-Drive.
What's your car
you
payment
got a
and what
nice
do you drive?
lineup.
$1,342, and I drive a Silverado 3500 HD.
Got a question for you. What's your car payment and what do you drive?
$700 a month. I drive a Chevy Silverado half-ton 2022 RST with a 3-liter diesel.
What's your car payment and what do you drive?
I drive a 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 Black Widow, and my car payment's $610 a month.
What's your car payment and what do you
Ain't
drive?
too bad.
Oh, God. My car payment's $420 a month, and I drive a 2021 Chevy Bolt.
What's your car payment and what do you drive?
I drive a
See, he's saving though. He's saving on gas. That Volt, I think that's an electric car. So even though he's paying $400 a month, I mean his insurance is probably cheap, and he's saving on gas. It all depends what your purpose is. Some people paying a high car note just to flex. Some people, they got those little economy cars, so it's all good.
2025 Equinox Active, and my car payment is $293 a month.
You drive and what's
Ain't
your car
nothing,
payment?
nothing.
RX 500 hybrid. I think my payment is $945 or $955.
What do you drive and what's your car payment?
An 1882 Toyota Celica 325.
That's a good payment. What do you drive and what's your car payment?
I'm driving a Dodge Scat Pack. My payments is $700 a month. I also have a 2021 Toyota Corolla, and that payment is only $400 a month.
You got two cars?
Man, my man doubled up on the payments.
2014 Camaro SS, no car payment.
Oh, that's good.
Well,
what do you
what's
drive
up?
and what's your car payment?
I drive a RAV4 and my payment is $400.
Oh, that's good. What do you drive and what's your car payment?
I drive a BMW M340i and my car payment is $250.
That's the best one today.
$250.
What do you drive?
Man, she welling, man. Ain't no way her car payment $250. Leave your comments, man. Hey, I ain't never heard no BMW payment being no $250. unless she leasing it and put a whole bunch of money down. That's
And
crazy.
how much do you pay?
I drive a 2023 Kia Telluride SXX Pro, and I pay $797 a month.
What do you drive and how much do you pay?
Man, those Tellurides are nice, but they were super overcharging people for those trucks. I guarantee you she $10,000 underwater in that truck, easily.
I drive a 21 Dodge Charger and I pay $653.
What do you drive and how much do you pay?
I drive a 2025 Kia K4 and I pay $599 a month.
Okay.
For a Kia?
What do you drive and how much do you pay?
2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. $784. What do you drive and how much do you pay?
Dodge Durango, 7 something.
What do you drive and how much do you pay?
2011 Escalade. I don't pay anything.
What do you drive and how much do you pay?
Currently buying, but it'll be probably around the high $700 range.
Okay.
2025 Kia K4.
Cool.
Hold on. How much are these kids, man? You paying almost $800 a month for a kid? That don't sound right to me. Them K4s that expensive. I see the K5s. They probably in the $40,000 range, I would think. I mean, I don't know. But I remember my daughter was looking at a Kia K4. It was a number like $23,000 brand new. So how's this payment $800? Unless he rolling over negative equity. That's probably
What do you
it
drive and how much do you pay?
Nissan Versa and 315.
That's
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying.
What do you
Those
drive
cars
and
like
how much do you pay?
20,000.
22 Chrysler 300 and I paid like $620.
Okay.
Well, 300. But there it is, guys. Another payment video. And it looks like all these car salesmen are the ones paying the high car notes. I mean, it's just amazing to me. You would think that they would get big discounts. But, you know, car prices right now are just out of control. And, you know, some people just got to have the latest and the greatest. I ain't knocking it. Hey, people do what they do. Just good videos to react to and to see what other people are paying. There's a lot of cars on the road, man. I'm constantly seeing new cars, new car payment, you know, paper tags on new cars. So obviously people don't mind paying high car notes because interest rates are high right now. The price of new cars are high right now. So I would think the minimum payment right now is $1,000 a month. That's not including insurance. But, you know, if you got it, do your thing. If you don't have it, get you a cash car and call it a day. At the end of the day, it's just transportation. But if you're a car person, I see why people, you know, pay what they pay. Because, you know, the old saying, you only live once. So you better get it while you can. You never know what tomorrow may bring. So we just got to be smart about it, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. I hope we all learned something from these videos. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.